Festival migrantskega filma prihaja na peron številka 6.
With the screening of Eyes and Tears of God started third day of the Migrant Film Festival. The movie of Tomo Križnar and Maja Weiss was an inspiration for the roundtable.
The roundtable tried to combine different aspects which concern migration policies, development policies and humanitarian policies. And of course the common ground for these discussions was the movie about the situation in Sudan. Neža Kogovšek-Šalamun, I work for the Peace Institute in Ljubljana.
I'm Natasha Potočnik, a representative of the Ministry of the Interior. I think that it's a very good idea, a very good opportunity to become aware of such problems.
We try to understand what is the role of development policies in countries when there is crisis like in Sudan, what is the role of humanitarian policies in such countries and in such areas, and also what is the role of migration policies in the countries where people come to from crisis areas. So we try to see the big picture.
We give enough information or some points that can make people a reflection and they can think about the situation. My name is Ibrahim Nuhum from International African Forum.
My name is Maja Weiss, I'm a film director. The film, The Eyes and Tears of God, is saying that each human being can contribute for a change. It's also telling you can activate yourself and do something with this, that you are not quiet, that you see that you're critical, that you recognize, and also that you maybe donate even something. An example in this case, there was the cameras, which Tomo Križnar and Klemen Mihalic, they were bringing to the Blue Knife people, and with these cameras and with these modems and computers, they were actually informing then the international community about genocide, which is actually very hidden.
Moje ime je Anica Mikuš-Kos, sem predsednica Slovenske filantropije. Festival mislim ima še posebno moč.
The film festival has a special power. Movie is really persuasive form of media, making the issue more visible.